Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would share with you what is in my on-the-go planner bag. So this is a Louis Vuitton Truce. It's a old vintage model of the toiletry bags that are available in stores today. So the main difference being that the inside is a wipeable material. For me, I am accident prone and I can't imagine carrying a makeup bag that I could not wipe down on the inside. I've had one before and it's not for me. So I like the interior of my bags, especially the nice ones, to be a wipeable material, or I need to carry like a bag insert of sorts inside. So this is a piece that I really love. It's in the size 23. There are two sizes, the 23 and the 28 that I know. I have both of them, but the 28 is quite big and I do carry that as a clutch from time to time. I do wish they had D-rings so I can kind of carry it as a long purse, but this is perfect for tossing into any bag. These are my essentials, everything that I carry with me when I go anywhere. And as you know, Pocket is my on-the-go planner size, which fits perfectly in here. So it's not all planner related, but I do love watching like what's in my bag. So I thought it would be cute to show you what's inside. So first up here, I have my credit card holder, and it just has my driver's license, a couple of the credit cards and my debit cards that I use, along with a little bit of cash in the middle, and our health insurance cards and dental insurance cards. So this was a gift to me for my birthday a couple years back, and still one of my favorite pieces. I have my lip gloss that I carry with me. It is just clear. I am so plain Jane. There's nothing special about it. I don't really wear a lot of like lip product, but those are two of the pieces that I absolutely love. Then I have my 6-ring key holder. This is perfect. I'm not going to open it up because all my information is kind of out, but the best thing about this is that you can carry credit cards in here as well. Usually I keep only my debit card in this one because there are a lot of times when if I don't need anything, this is the only thing I carry with me when I go out. It has my keys attached, it has my house keys, keys to my parents' house and all that. So that is what I keep in there. So these come with these little elastic rubber bands, if you can see, and I feel like it's the perfect thing to keep everything in place so that it doesn't get all lost in your bag without having pockets, if that makes sense. Then I have my planner of the month here, which is the Blush Croco from Gillio. I usually actually have a planner bag that goes with it, but I took it out. So usually it's in a little baggie inside there so that it doesn't get damaged, but so pretty and it fits perfectly inside. And then there is this back slip pocket, if you can see. So this back slip pocket, I have a little Twin Stars like wipes pouch, and since we are thick into COVID season, I have just some antibacterial hand wipes. This is something, you know, I have from being a mom. And then I have my phone on the inside that fits perfectly in there. I carry my AirPods with me, but in case those die, I have like a cord headphone, like regular Apple headphones as well, that work in there. So that is what I carry with me in my planner bag. I have my pen that's on the side right here. I have a Villa Beautiful pen that fits perfectly on the pen loop so it doesn't get lost. And this is something that I carry with me on the go. Everywhere I go, I can just toss it into whatever bag I'm in, and I feel like it is the perfect size for fitting everything. It packs up really nicely. It's really compact, super easy to pack, and I hardly need anything else when I am out. So these are the things I carry with me on the go. Very short, quick video that I wanted to show you, and I love this piece so much. Hope you guys are having a good day, and if you are new to my channel, if you would consider subscribing, I would be really thankful. Almost close to that 1K following. Have a great one.